hair disasters. Well, I think like we do have a tougher time over here because the weather is humid. So for us, I think maintaining our hair is quite difficult. A lot of people complain about hair loss or frizzy hair. And I think all of us have those issues. Today I was having a hair disaster, but there are amazing hair products that you can use that help to smoothen hair out. I think the best thing sometimes also to maybe do is just wear a cap or put your hair back. Like that's what I did today. I put my hair back. It was a disaster.
जैसे कि आप जानते हो कि आप बॉलीवुड बहुत खूबसूरत हो सबसे पहली बात तो, लेकिन कई बार ऐसा होता है कि आपका बैड डे होता है, तो जब बैड डे होता है तो आप किस तरह से अपने आप को मोटिवेट करते हो कोई चीज़ करने के लिए? हो सकता है कि जैसे आपने बहुत एफर्ट डाले हो लेकिन वो चीज़ नहीं हुई, तो कैसे आप मोटिवेट करते हो कि नहीं आई विल कीप गोइंग? तो उसके बारे में
बॉलीवुड में या ओवरऑल? I think it's in our kind of our industry, and as actors, actresses, we face good times, we face bad times, like I think in any profession as well. And I think it's just the basic moral or the basic thing that you have to keep remembering is every time you feel like giving up, you have to remember why you began, why you started, why you chose this career, and that motivates you to keep going.
सलमान हमेशा अपने कोई एक्टर की हेल्प करते हैं हिंदी सीखने में. So did he help you for Hindi?
Yes, he does actually, because he keeps telling me that listen, your Hindi is terrible. You need to learn more Hindi, and that actually motivates me to learn more Hindi.
Jackie, lastly, Mother's Day around the corner.
Yes.
Can you wish?
You're very busy, obviously, but how do you plan, a special surprise for that day? I mean, moms are obviously celebrated every day, but how do you plan something special?
Well, actually, my mom doesn't live with me, so I think I'm just gonna send her maybe a small gift or some flowers, because I think that if we can't take out every day to show our appreciation to them, we should at least take out this time to maybe just even give them something, send them something. It's really, really important. I think not doing anything would be quite sad.
Jacqueline, one my last question, really, promise, last question.
Okay.
अगर सलमान को शादी करनी हो क्योंकि आप उनकी को-स्टार हैं, तो उनकी जो होने वाली वाइफ हो उसमें क्या गुण होने चाहिए?
Oh my God.
और कैसी होनी चाहिए? आपको क्या लगता है उसके बारे में?
होने वाली वाइफ.
होने वाली वाइफ.
अगर फ्यूचर वाइफ ऑफ सलमान खान, what's your take on that? Please.
उसमें आप कौन सी गुण देखते हैं?
And how is
It's so far-fetched right now. It's almost impossible that it's like, I think there is no comment to have on that. So
Any tip for silky smooth hair this summer?
silky smooth hair. I think definitely keep yourself hydrated, eat good foods, eat nutritious stuff, keep your hair clean, because I think that's basically the most important thing when it comes to maintaining good hair is just always keep it clean. That's it.
Thanks. बेसिकली माइक्रोस्पा ये है जिसको हेयर का प्रॉब्लम हो, हेयर का लॉस हो, हेयर में कोई ना कोई खामी हो, उसके लिए वो लॉन्च किया है.
No, by the grace of God, I've got Sikh genes, Sardar, so I think my hair is not much of an issue. But I guess keeping in mind honestly the quality of water that we have in this city right now. I mean, I love everything else about it, but I think one needs some sort of hair care products just to keep your hair fit. I mean, most of us actually don't pay much attention to hair. Well, I'm actually looking forward. I just spoke to them. They're probably going to hand over a few products to me. I'm going to try them, and if they're as good as I hope they are, I'm going to keep trying them and using them for sure.